Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. For the second time today, I hope, we have more spoilers. Of course, as soon as I finish doing the 5 and 6 customization spoilers, they drop customization 4. So that's what we have today. Fabfitfun Winter 2023 customization 4 spoilers. Let's get into them. I knew it was going to happen. I started to hold that 5 and 6 because I knew they were going to drop that 4, but I wanted to get it out as soon as possible. So while that is busy uploading, I am making this video. In customization 4, we will have 6 choices. Let's just dig right into them. If you are new to Fabfitfun, I will put a card at the end of this that will take you back over to all of the information for Fabfitfun customizations 5 and 6. Plus, we had some spoilers for customizations 1 and 2 in there also. Customization number 4, choice number 1, we have the by Rosie Jane Dulce Travel Spray. It has a $28 value and it is UK restricted. And it says, if you're looking for the perfect stocking stuffer, look no further than this travel spray. The compact size packs in a powerful yet sweet scent of vanilla with hints of hinoki wood and nude musk. Pro tip, applying to moisturized skin, the fragrance will last longer. It is 7.5 ml, and at their website it says Dulce is a sweet, unmistakable take on vanilla with small hints of chocolate and a deliciously joyful woody softness that lingers on the skin. Youthful and irresistible, cruelty-free, vegan, and recyclable. Interesting, this is our second perfume. Just saying. Our second choice in customization 4 is This Works Deep Sleep Overnight Cleanser. It has a $20 value. If there are 2 things that we love, it's great skin and great sleep. Not only does this cleanser buff, smooth, and brighten the skin while helping to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, the deep sleep functional fragrance helps calm the mind before bedtime with the potential of calling in a good night's sleep. It is 100 ml, and at the website it says it's a 99% natural cleansing gel with oat amino acids and hyaluronic acid, clinically proven to reduce redness and increase skin hydration. A powerful blend of exfoliating amino acids, moisturizing hyaluronic acid, and copper PCA to help balance the skin. A gentle but effective nightly treatment infused with the deep sleep functional fragrance to help calm the mind. The deep sleep functional fragrance of the This Works products is lavender. I will wholeheartedly say if you are not a fan of lavender, this is probably not for you. I love their products, but that's because I love lavender. Choice number 3, we have the Sewing Down South Cooking Apron in Perfectly Plaid. It has a $30 value and it says, cooking can get a bit messy, but this apron ensures that your clothes will stay clean while you're whipping up all your holiday faves. Created from hand-painted art, the festive design evokes seasonal vibes. Between the adjustable neck strap, the perfectly placed pockets, and the water and abrasion-resistant material, this will be our kitchen companion from appetizer to dessert. It is 100% polyester. The apron is 27 by 31. The waist strap is 31 inches long and 0.08 inches wide. The neck strap is 29 inches long and 0.808 inches wide. And the care instructions are machine wash cold with light colors and dry on low heat. Our fourth choice, and it does show the little hourglass, which means it is a limited product and it will go first. So if this is something you want, be sure you get on anyway, the minute customization opens. This is a slip product. It is the Skinny Scrunchie Trio Ornament, Candy, Blush, and Primrose, and it has a $22 value. Another stocking stuffer worthy choice. These scrunchies are delicate in your hair, leaving your locks crease-free and your hair products where they belong. In your hair, not your scrunchie, thanks to the non-absorbent silk fibers. It is 100% mulberry silk, exclusive of the inner elastic, and the outer is made with non-toxic dyes. And at the site it says, upgrade your hair game. Our festive limited edition ornaments have landed. Give the gift of our award-winning slip silk scrunchies these holidays. Designed to avoid hair creases, made with slip silk to be gentle on your delicate hair. The set includes 1 primrose, 1 candy, and 1 blush. And at the website, it said slip silk has been scientifically tested by an independent third-party lab and shown to significantly reduce friction and absorb significantly less face cream. Not sure how your face cream would get on your scrunchie, but doesn't matter. Number 5, we have the Melissa Wood Health Yoga Block plus 1 month membership with a $28 value. Whether you're a yoga lover or trying to get a head start on your New Year's resolutions, this yoga block provides extra support and comfort for various poses. The choice comes with a 1 month subscription to the Melissa Wood Health platform filled with yoga and Pilates classes, meditations, nutrition guides, and informative articles. The size is 9 by 6 by 3, and it is made of PE foam. The blocks provide stability to help you improve alignment, deepen poses, and increase strength and flexibility. With 3 different height options, you can adjust the block to meet your needs. Our final choice in customization 4 is the Topicals Faded Under Eye Masks, and it's a 6-pack with a $22 value. Even during the busiest times, we're looking at you, holiday season. At least you'll look well rested thanks to these cooling under eye masks. A powerhouse combo of ingredients from niacinamide to caffeine brighten and depuff, so at least you can look distressed. De-stressed, not distressed. I probably look distressed during the holidays so that you can look de-stressed. You get 6 eye masks to 6 sets of eye masks. They are rated at their website 4.9 out of 5, 235 reviews. Usually at websites, you tend to see better reviews because people go there because they know they like the brand, but still 4.9 with 235 is a pretty good review. And it says dark circles or puffy under eyes, faded in just 15 minutes. Our cooling hydrogel under eye masks gently fade the look of dark circles and discoloration so that you can kick back and let your worries fade away. Okay, that should be it for today. We have customization 6, 5, and now 4. Tomorrow we should have customization 3, probably just 3. I hope. Let me know below which of these you're liking, what you're thinking about the box. I will see you again tomorrow, I hope. If this is a box you are interested in, I said it earlier, it's still the fall box, so if you want to order the winter box, be sure and wait. Thank you so much for coming by. I will see you again tomorrow, and have a great night, guys. Bye.